When your dog's swimming skills are better than yours, he'll follow you anywhere you swim, bro.
No!
Dog's logic. Hands off my boss, or he'll taste the paw.
Nope.
He can be tiny, but he can sure handle the watch duty. Intruder alert! Barking intensifies! No one messes with this ride. This dog's a true gatekeeper. Not this way, not that way, and definitely not that step, boy. In this boat party, Doggo be like, wait, that water looks suspicious. Don't trust it, human. Doggo job description: keeping all danger, including playful diving, at bay. Have you tried German Shepherd hug therapy? It's guaranteed to brighten your day. This dog. How dare you touch my human? Introducing the ultimate protector. Push my little human, and you'll have to talk to me, sir.
It's okay, baby. It's okay. Stefan! Zeus is checking on you. He's barking on you. It's okay, baby. It's okay.
Whose goggles is this?
It's okay.
Whose goggles?
Everyone knows that Doggo will always be there for you. Kidnappers, beware. When Big Bro clears the snowy path so the little ones can make it home. Good job, big boy.
Good job.
Warning, mess with her and you will face furious consequences. Cause this dog is the superhero in disguise. This man has SYNGAP1 syndrome. His dog's barking to prevent him from having a seizure. Dogs are truly man's best friend.
Life with a Cane Corso. I'm not actually using the bathroom. I just wanted to show you. He sits there and guards the door until I'm done. Thanks, Miles. Good boy.
In the game of comforting, this pup's a pro. Tears? Let me lick them away. Even though this baby doesn't receive much love from Mother Sheep, she still has a wonderful life with her dog friend. Guess who is always inspecting his kingdom every morning? No squirrels detected? All safe. How the protector mode kicks in. Target spotted. He brought no treats. Suspicious. Must protect my treat guy. When I hear a cat cry for help, amigo, I'll be right there. Always vigilant, especially when it comes to his little human. What's it like to have a psychiatric dog? When sadness is detected, wet nose nudge and sloppy lick will be operated.
Security system engaged.
Trust me, this furry hug will protect the little human from the vacuum cleaner monster. Making friends beyond the fence be like, dear friend, what do you think about teaching me to leap over fences? Park rules say, make new friends, right? Don't run, bear! ATM security in action. No sneaky peeking, please. My human is busy.
Socks off? Good boy.
Reunion bliss. Human, you're back. Where'd you go? I missed you more than treats. And that concludes our hilarious journey with our furry bodyguards. Share the laughs, tag a friend, and subscribe for more antics from our loyal canine protectors. Stay strong, stay silly.